I'd have to go with hardworking because of the things he went through to provide us with all of our needs and to support me through my basketball journey. I'd just like to say thank you, Dad, for always supporting me and guiding me through my basketball journey and never giving up on me. I love you.
Love you. Well, now that you're playing here in Junior MPBL, this is your second season and you need to take it seriously. Seriously means dedication, okay? Dedication means hard work, sacrifice, and know your priorities, okay? Just keep it up and keep practicing, and you're doing good. Just do better. Okay, love you.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you.
I love you and thank you.
Inspirational. He's a great father and I hope he continues to be a great father. And he inspires me every day and he helps me every day and he helps me become better at basketball.
First naman, sabi ko sa kanya, tinanong ko sa kanya kung gusto niya ba talaga ng basketball. Sabi naman niya, okay, gusto naman niya. So, sabi ko, ano lang, focus lang kung ano yung mga sinasabi ko or mga coaches, work hard lang. And yun, enjoy lang yung main team doon.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you.
Inspiration kasi siya po yung dahilan kung bakit ako nagpapatuloy mag-improve araw-araw para pangarap kong maging pro basketball player tulad niya. Ini-improve ko po yung sarili ko, especially sa mga weakness ko sa loob ng court. Siyempre, pinapromise ko din sa kanila na lalo na kay Papa na susundan ko iyapak niya sa basketball. Mas lalagpasan ko pa. Magpapatuloy lang akong mag-aral ng mabuti at mag-improve araw-araw kasi yun lang naman yung gusto niya mangyari sa akin.
Ilaan niyo yung game niya kay God palagi. And huwag siya magsawang matuto, lagi siya makinig sa coaches niya kasi wala namang ituturong mali ang mga coaches kundi para sa kabubuti niya. So lagi lang siya makikinig sa coaches.
Happy Father's Day. Mahal na mahal kita.
Encouraging because all the time he always pushes me. Even when he's not saying it, when I see him play dati, also words it encourages me to play harder. Thank you sa lahat kasi wala akong ma-achieve kung wala yung daddy ko. And thank you for always being there kahit mahirap na.
Siyempre, yung dedication niya sa sports, nandun, and ang passion niya, yung paglalaro. So nandun ako for 100% support. Especially me and her mom niya and her sister and lahat kami and yun, siyempre laging siyang dapat mag-ingat at always to tell her to give her best every game.
Happy Father's Day!
Thank you so much.
Support you. Caring ko. I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you, Dad, for always supporting me on youth. Thank you for sacrificing para makapag-basketball ako. Thank you for that.
My advice to them is always play hard, always give your best, and pray to God.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Bumabati po ako na sa lahat ng mga haligi ng tahanan. Happy Father's Day sa ating lahat. Naway patuloy po tayong maging inspirasyon at lakas ng ating mga pamilya. Ang bawat suntok, hamon sa buhay at tagumpay ay inaalay ko sa aking pamilya.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy! We miss you. Thank you for everything you've done for us. We're going to be here now.
Thank you for always supporting us and guiding us. We love you so much and we hope you have the best day. We love you!
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Thank you for everything you've done for us. For me, you are my hero, my inspiration, and my motivation. I love you, and I'm always here for you.
Boxing's legendary and only 8-division champion of the world, introducing the one and only Manny Pacquiao!
Ako si Manny Pacquiao, muling bumabati ng Happy Father's Day sa inyong lahat, mga kaliga.
Para sa ama ng Junior MPBL at sa lahat ng mga tatay,
together with Junior MPBL, we celebrate you.
Happy Father's Day!
Ito ang Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.